Hello friends, in this first of my domestic series of videos I'm going to show you how to descale an original Braun Tassimo machine. Now, first thing you will need is a service disc, but make sure that you get the right service disc. Later Bosch Tassimo machines have a different disc where the label and the position of the water flow channel is different because they're laid out slightly differently under the pod. Roughly half fill the water container. Put about half to 0.7 of a litre of water in it, and then simply add a proprietary descaling agent. But typically with a liquid descaler you would either buy it in a pouch and just add a pouch, or like with this one you would probably add 100 millilitres. Put the lid back on. I like to give it a little swill round just to make sure it's well mixed. Put it back into the machine. Now you'll need a mug or a jug in the usual place, and put your service disc into the machine and close the lid. Once the auto light has come on, press the go button. The machine will transfer and heat up around half a cup full of fluid into your cup. Empty it out into the sink and do it again. Now empty out your half cup full into the sink, put your cup back, but now leave the machine to stand for 10 minutes and repeat that process until you've cycled the water through and run out of water in the reservoir. So the machine has now run out of water. So leave the cleaning disc in, remove the reservoir, give the reservoir a good rinse and return it to the machine. And now, in exactly the same way as you did for the descaling solution, run fresh water through the machine 5 times in succession. And that's it. Your Tassimo is now descaled, and you've cleaned the residue of the descalant away, and your machine is ready for normal use again. Store that somewhere safe for next time. Thank you very much, friends. I hope you found this useful and instructive, and take this opportunity to add any comments or experiences in the comments section below, and hopefully you'll subscribe if this is the first time you've seen my videos. Otherwise, hopefully I'll see you on the other side of that screen sometime soon. Bye bye now.